Welcome back everyone to Crypto and More. So today we're going to look at Ethereum. Right now it's getting really close to passing the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high was around the 40, actually I had the 4800, 4867 dollar range. Right now we're at $4,725. So we're only about a couple $100 away, not too far. A lot of people think that and Ethereum, don't get me wrong, these past few days and weeks that Bitcoin's been looking bearish. There's a lot of coins that were looking bearish. Ethereum actually held up extremely well. I was pleasantly surprised how well Ethereum held up. I had drawn this resistance and support. Well, yeah, this resistance and support level because it was been testing it back here, and it was testing it as support. It got bounced off of that. It seems like it's gonna hit an all-time high. If you look at the weekly chart, it looks really good. It formed this W right here. And W's you know tend to move the price higher. It's usually a good sign. But then I saw this. So I saw the 2 week there's a sell signal on the cipher B. Not all sell signals are, you know, not all sell signals on the cipher B indicate that you should sell. But it's a good indicator to kind of see if there's a sell signal. I gotta start looking at other indicators and other, price actions and see where it may lead and may go. Obviously I checked out, I tried to check previous sell signals on the cipher B, kind of like here where it said sell, but then you know these next two candles here were green. So it wasn't always good. But there's another sell signal up here. There's a divergence there. Here there's another sell signal here on the 2 week, but as you can see, it just kept going higher. And then we got another buy signal and just kept going higher. It was going insane. So that's kind of what I wanted to see on the previous price actions. Just to see if this sell signal that we have right now on the 2 week is something that we should really take a look at. Um, so looking at the sell signal, I ended up looking at the Stochk RSI where that's at, looking at the RSI where that's at. They're getting pretty close to overbought levels. If we go back here, it did trend down a little bit, and then it just kept going higher. And the Stochk RSI and the RSI was just severely overbought. And even though they were severely overbought, it just kept going higher. It's insane. It had a little bit of consolidation, and then we ended up moving up again. This is where we're at right now. So I decided, okay, let's look at the monthly chart. This is the monthly chart. Now, this one is what actually scares me a little bit more, to be honest. We're way extended off of the 8 SMA. You don't want to see something that's extremely overextended. We're about 35-36% above the 8 SMA. I actually didn't even check, so let me see how far this was before it got. Well, this was extreme. Wow. Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong. 150%. Man, that's insane. So there's a chance that Ethereum might still go higher, but that was a big red candle. I was gonna say something inappropriate, but that's a big red candle right there. Um, so you know, it's just not looking good. To be honest, for Ethereum. A lot of people are gonna hate me for it. I totally understand. I love Ethereum, but you're gonna say, well, this went 150% higher. This is only like 36%. There's still ways to go. I'm like, yeah, I mean, you're right. But what scares me is this down here. The volume has actually been going down, even though Ethereum has been going up. That's not a good sign. And I've mentioned this on my Bitcoin video before Bitcoin had a major drop, So it's something that you have to be aware of, and it's something that you have to look at. There's a sell signal. It's the RSI is overbought. Volume is going down, even though the price has been going up. So you got to be extremely, extremely careful with Ethereum right now. It's kind of crazy, I'm really interested what Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the cryptocurrency space as a whole are gonna do in December, because December tends to be a great month, Um, maybe we'll see Ethereum hit another green candle on the month of December, you know. Um, but we'll have to wait and see. This is the December candle. It's green right now. Maybe it'll stay green. Maybe it will go higher. It's just the sell signal on the Cypher B on the monthly and on the 2 week is just a little bit scary. The fact that the RSI is overbought, the fact that the volume's been trending down. Um, a 2 week, there's also a sell signal. I don't know if the volume has been trending down as well. I mean, yeah, it's not it's not a good sign. I hope I'm wrong though. I hold Ethereum, so I definitely hope I am incorrect about this. But before I end the video, I did want to show you Bitcoin. So I don't quite remember exactly, but I believe it was here because it was definitely before this drop that we had. And I was saying like these candles right here, we had new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time high, new all-time high. Um, this one wasn't, but it kept going higher and higher, and then we got another all-time high. But as that was happening, you know, it, it looked. I remember this differently, but if we ignore, this green candle right here, the volume was actually trending down, as the price was going up. Um, I remember a little bit differently, but right now that's similar to what Ethereum is doing right now. So guys, so actually as I finished recording the video and was editing the video, I actually remembered what I was talking about in Bitcoin. So, just to make it quick, I was looking at Bitcoin, during the prices, and a lot of people were extremely bullish as Bitcoin was hitting new all-time highs every time. Um, but what I was trying to tell people is that even though it is having new all-time high closes, it wasn't a significant price difference. So, like this one right here, it closed at 61,330. This one closed at 63,263. This one closed at 65,474. Um, so even though Bitcoin was hitting new all-time highs each week and people were getting extremely bullish, this showed me a sign of we're reaching the top. Um, and lo and behold, as you know, I made that last video around this time, Bitcoin had ended up dropping and everybody got extremely bearish. All the price started going down. So this is like I kind of want to mention about Ethereum. It's doing really well, on the weekly, on the 2 week. But just got to be careful because even though it's gonna hit a new all-time high right now, um, it's it might not be a significant price increase. I hope I'm wrong. I hope maybe if there's a major volume, on this candle right here or on the next one, where it kind of it shows the reversal of the lower volume trend, and it actually ends up, going not gonna go that much higher, but it's an exaggeration. But if you see the volume candles actually shoot up, and kind of show, that this pump on Ethereum isn't just a fluke, then that would actually make me turn a lot more bullish than bearish, but we just have to wait and see. But enough of me repeating myself over and over again. Just keep an eye out. Make sure you set your stop losses, take some profits maybe. Obviously, it's not financial advice, but just looking at the charts, this just a warning sign. So just keep an eye out on that. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.